my supplements. When do I pull it? Oh, skin. I picked my multiple. Okay. You just wait it out. Okay, I swallow. You just wait it out until it stops burning. I don't like it though, around my teeth hurt. Floss. Where's my floss at? I'm doing floss. Holy tongue. I think I'm done for now. I think I'm done for the day. I'm gonna need a nap after this. I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh, look at the birds. Cute. Aw, hummingbird. Hi. Aw. I don't know if you can see this hummingbird. Ah! So fast. That's humming. I was watching the hummingbird. Okay. Here's my face. Ice water. Sweaty, hot, red, fire engine red. And now the urge to clean my teeth. Okay, I just want to gargle and brush them. Probably not supposed to floss after eating spicy noodles. I don't care. I want to clean my mouth. And now I shall brush my teeth. Favorite strawberry smash Colgate. Because at this point I don't want anything pepperminty, any more spice. any more herbs, any more spicy herbs. Turned up. That's not good. It's helping. Ooh. It's definitely helping. Okay, now for anti-cavity, I got a Dollar Tree. Okay, I have to just do this. I'm a champion! I'm a champion! I did it! I ate spicy food! My tongue's better. I just want to clean my teeth up. Peppery taste. Clean the pepper off. Yes! I feel amazing now. Go get that. Fight or flight response. Ah, clean teeth. Fresh breath and clean teeth. Ah, friends, that was a fun video to make. I wasn't planning on brushing my teeth. I just needed that sriracha chili pepper. It was like going in my teeth. I could feel it burning my gum line. I had to get rid of it. Alright friends, I'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed my, it's kind of funny, kind of serious video. But yes, I got the spicy challenge. Fire noodles. See you later. Bye.